All right, welcome people to the Prisoner Sports Complex where we have Black Lions versus DB Basovak. Big matchup here, top of the table clash, as we have two teams really going at it to showcase quality, dominance, and forever who's the best team in the competition at this present moment. Let's go. Let's start up with the starting lineup. Let's start off with the starting lineup. Have Black Lion first. We have Ryan Pantry, Roshane Mary, Martin Beach, Romeo Berry, Javar Harris, Daniel McKenzie, Quante Level, Tyrone Mullins, Shwayne Barrett, Dante Brown, and Norvin Evans. That's the team lineup for Black Lions. Let's go to the next team, DB Basovak. We have Ricardo Wright, Brian Sweeney, Marcus McDonald, Javoy Wright, Jomar Codner, Kevin Planter, Roshane Smith, Andre Forbes, Lloyd Duaney, Xavier Magor, and Anil Ferguson. That concludes the lineup for DB Basovak. As we said, this certainly should be an emphatic encounter between these two teams, as we expect the game to be a really good one. At this present moment, as the team lines up, you can definitely see photos being taken. We're expecting to see a good one. Really expecting this to be a very feisty encounter. As we all know, two quality teams going head to head here. I'm expecting it to be a very good one. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for joining MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator, Mario Dakers. We'll be guiding you through the 90 minutes of this game as we watch to see what unfolds in front of our eyes this evening. Certainly, we expect this to be a very feisty encounter, meaty clash, as many would say, as we'd expect it to be. Black Lion in the red and green and yellow, as you can see, dominant red, and DB Basovak in the white and blue jersey with a ditch of or a splash of yellow on it. A nice looking jersey, I would say. Really good looking jersey. As a fact, as referee looks to get us on the way, we have to expect to see the lights on in a few minutes. It's a bit dark out now, and the referee looks to start off, and we are on our way. Early mistake there for Basovak through Javoy Wright. Early pressure here being added by Black Lions. Throw in there. Here comes Barrett. Barrett finds Javar out on the edge. Here comes Mackenzie. Mackenzie with a shot. And the referee said that's a foul. It's a penalty. It is a penalty. Seconds into the game, Black Lions is awarded with a penalty as Javar is taken down at the edge of the box. As we have just 30 seconds in, right in front of the referee. There's no way he could have missed that one. As Basovak players crying their innocence. Referee said no, not having any of it. Tyrone Mullins stands over to take Black Lions early out, and there's a bit of issue at the penalty spot right there between the players who's going to take it and the goalkeeper. It's not a good look. As I said, this encounter certainly sets up to be a very feisty one. Early penalty here for Black Lions. Referee pleading it. My apologies, goalkeeper pleading his case. We're just a minute in. An opportunity for Black Lions to make put themselves on the score sheet as early as possible. Ricardo Wright faces Tyrone Mullins. Who will win this one? Ricardo Wright or Tyrone Mullins? Ricardo in goal. Tyrone Mullins facing him. Stands over the ball. Chance here. Mullins taking his time. Right. Looking his eye on Mullins. Mullins steps up. Goes for it. Beautiful attempt there by Wright, but Mullins put it away with pace and power. Brilliant pace and power there from Mullins. Nicely done. As Wright made a wonderful attempt. Unfortunately, the power got the better of him there. It is Black Lions 1, DB Basovak 0. As early as 2 minutes into this game, we are set for an exciting encounter tonight. It is Friday night football at the Prison Ovals, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Something that I haven't seen a long while. We're seeing it tonight. Here comes Basovak now, looking for a reply. Gets inside. Nice shot. Shot there. Brilliant shot from Ferguson. Shot again. Basovak, angry, frustrated, looking for something. Clearance here by the Black Lions defense. Basovak hunting. Early hunt here from Basovak. Throw in here, Codner. Long throw in there. Nice work. As Smith tries to take that one. Harris taken down. Given away by Harris. Here comes Basovak again. Confusion between the Black Lions defenders. Nice work there by Smith. And aggressive defensive work there by Harris, Javar Harris, as he recovers the ball nicely. The lights are on. We're now greeted with the lights. It's a bit dark out. Should have been on for a good while now. Unfortunately, it's just coming on. Our referee said that is an infringement. Okay, so 3 or 4, 6 Russians. Taken away. Here comes level. Strong custodian. Powerfully built as he marshalled the ball out. Punching out to take this spot kick. As he advised his team to go as far as possible. Actually taking a shot. Pass inside. Barrett. Heavy touch from Barrett. Here comes Ferguson. Cuts inside. Berry's in there. As Berry clears that one out for a throw-in. Ferguson. Quick throw in there from Ferguson. As Wright goes to take over. Looking for a long throw. Going to launch it in the box. Launch inside. Header there. As not much came from that one. As Marquis McDonald coming to the foul there. Seems to be on Evans. Level now to boot this one long. Just to ease off some of the pressure that he's been applying by Basovak early out. Nice pass. Mullins. And he couldn't keep that one in. Bit of confusion there. Nice work there by Barrett. Goes inside. Here comes Mullins. Mullins looking for support as he turns. And pressure there by Duane. And he goes on under pressure. Referee said he's not having none of that. As the Basovak supporters go wild in the crowd. You can hear the direct intent. Maris stands over it. Big cross here by Murray to the back post. And that one goes straight out of play for a goal kick. I'm sure that this early goal would have really spoiled the Basovak game plan. Pass inside. Another foul again. Quite a physical game early out. Referee not entertaining any of it. Stamping his intent on the game as early as possible. As we see with the early penalty and also a few calls early out. No caution as yet from him, but certainly not letting anything slide in the name of balance of the game. Free kick here as Beach stands over this one in the right back position. He's going to whip this one in with the left foot. A lot of Black Lion players in the box. 10 players behind the ball for Basovak. That's a poor delivery from Beach. A very poor delivery from Beach. Goalkeeper in possession now. As he goes short to Forbes. Forbes goes long. Nice bit of work there from Magao. Trying to hold on to the play. Basovak really playing with a very high intensity. Chip pass over to the top. Trying to get Forbes in. Forbes. And he's taken down. A tackle there by Martin Beach. As he cleared that one out. Certainly it's an exciting encounter so far from what we've seen. As you can see, Ferguson goes over to take this one. Let's see if he's going to whip this one in. Ferguson to whip this one in. Taking his time. Referee just going over, maybe just to get the game a bit hastily. Checking if the ball is actually spotted correctly. Ferguson now. Whip that one inside the box. That's a beautiful delivery and the header off. Unfortunately, didn't go on target. Restart of play here for Black Lions. I think this is the moment that they should try to take this thing out of the game. It would be ideal at this moment, as you can see, where they're not rushing to recover the ball, just taking their time. They know the importance of getting the 3 points here. Evans to boot this one out. Goes long, over the top. Mullins, challenge here. Big clearance by Smith. Here comes Mackenzie. Brown. Beach overlaps. Nice work. Here comes Mullins. Looking for support. With the cross from Mullins to Brown. Here comes Javar. Harris. It's Harris. Goes in behind. And Harris could not get anything from that one. As the Basovak defenders were looking for an offside call. Unfortunately for them, nothing was in that one. Smith goes across. Nice bit of pass here. Inside his planter. Goes across and it's level to clear it. Brilliant work there from the Basovak attacking force. But level was perfectly timed to get himself across and clear that one. Ball is on the line there from the Black Lion defender. How important is that? As Ryan Punch is now down on the floor, receiving some medical attention. The goalkeeper is down, you know. Game has to stop immediately. Pantry has been brilliant for the Black Lions team so far this season. I'm sure that Black Lions wouldn't want to lose him, especially in a game of this magnitude. seems to be back up. Just checks and balance being done by the medical team, it seems. That means we could be on our way for the rest of the game in short order. For just joining, thank you very much for joining us here at MG Sports TV. We're at the Spanish Town Prison Oval, St. Catherine, where we see Black Lions take on DB Basovak. The top of the table clash. Early goal in the second minute of the game by Tyrone Mullins from the penalty spot, which is what separates the two teams at this present moment. Basovak with some replies, with some early attack. Nothing come from it though. As I look to restart the play now. Whipped across here. Chance. Levels are there again. It's a big fella. And the official assistant said the ball went home before coming in. And it goes out for a goal kick. Not the best lighting here in Prison Oval. But one thing for sure, the support here is in their numbers. As you can hear, lots of laughter and fun. This is certainly good for building up the community. Clearance here by Pantry. Nice take by Mullins. As the Basovak defender, Forbes not having none of it. Through in here to Black Lions. Throw to the line. Mackenzie takes that one nicely. Beach. Whipped it side from Beach. Clearance again. And that's a foul there on Myrie. As he take down Ferguson, who's everywhere on the pitch. Having a really good game so far. Codner goes out wide. Nice turn. Brilliant bit of skill there from right. Goes inside. And that's a big claim for handball there. Basovak working hard. Right. Chance here, big shot. Oh my God. Brilliant opportunity to present itself to Basovak as he takes that one on the half volley. Power was there. The direction was lacking from Rashane Smith. No, he could be upset with himself there. Here comes Myrie. Taken away. Bart and Myrie. Overload here. Here comes Mullins. Mullins to the back post and the keeper. He fumbles in that one. And another fumble again and it goes out. A foul on the goalkeeper. A bit of error there from the goalkeeper as he misread that one. Sure, Wright would have been delighted that the referee called a foul on that one, as he knew he blunder. A bit of saving grace from the referee. As play restart, pass inside into the center of the park. Smith goes out wide. Pass inside, nice pass inside here from Wright. On the ball now is McGaw. McGaw and Ferguson linking up quite nicely as Rashane Smith just falling just to create an overload there. A referee said a foul there on Barrett. Foul to Basovak. Another opportunity from a set piece, and they have been quite good so far with the set pieces. Can they get a nice delivery inside the box to cause some problem for the Black Lions defenders? As Rashane Smith stands over it. Whipped inside. That's a nice delivery to the back post. No one gambled on that one at the back post. Everyone was rushing towards the front post and the center of the goal. Jordan. Here comes Jordan. Here comes Basovak. Tackle there by Mackenzie. Mari now stands over this one. Oh, miss kick there from Evans. As Barry picks up on it. Here comes Pinnock down the wide side. Nice bit of work and a foul here on Pinnock. Seems to be Beach, who is now booked. Receives a yellow as he tackles on. Was a bit too aggressive. Free kick here too. Free kick whipped inside and level clears that one. Here comes Basovak now on the attack in the ascendancy. Looking to cause a lot of problems for Black Lions. So far, it has been, since the goal has scored, Basovak would have been the more dominant team. Here comes Beach. Nice to take there by Harris. Oh, given away there. Confusion. Harris now in possession. She pass out. Nice pass inside. Here comes Ferguson. Nice work there from Ferguson. Tackle here by Harris. Brilliant bit of work rate from Harris here. Whipped inside. Trying to get Mullins in. And it's Mullins looking for the shot. And I think that would have gone on as an eye boot. And a heavy touch there. And a clearance here from Sweeney. Not taking any prisoners. Throwing here to the Black Lions team. Here comes Mullins. Finds Mary. Mary finds Mackenzie. Here comes Mackenzie again. Taken away. Evans. Nice turn there from. Nice pass. Here comes Black Lion. Basovak now. Shot to the back post. And a brilliant shot. Oh my word. What a brilliant finish. What a brilliant finish. Magnificent finish there. For the equalizer. As he hit that one to the back post. Brilliant, brilliant finish. Oh my word. As play restarts here. Free kick here to Black Lions. Whipped inside. That's a nice delivery. And a clearance here from Forbes. And that heavy touch here from Beach. Trying to find Mullins. So inside, and one goes out of play. Here comes Brown, taken away. Over the top. Here comes Mullins. Goes around. Nice bit of work there from Mullins. Clearance here by the Black Lions defenders. The Basovak defender, my apology. Referee halts play here because the goalkeeper is down. As the referee checks on the goalkeeper to see what's happening. Corner here. Black Lions with a corner. And there's a change with goalkeeper. Seems that the goalkeeper won't be able to continue. I'm not sure what really happened. So goalkeeper change here for Basovak. Black Lions now with the corner. Looking to whip this one in. Whipped inside. And goes straight to the back post. And the keeper, he was unfortunate there, but he was level. I'm not sure what happened there, but that was a brilliant opportunity. And unfortunately, it did not make it count. Play restart here by Basovak team, they're in a good position. Booted out now. Clearance here by Level. It's quite dominant so far in this game. Showing a lot of experience. He's everywhere. Here comes Land. Basovak in possession. Taken away by Barrett. Barrett looking for support. Harris with a shot. Oh my word. Where did that one came from? That's a very good attempt there. And that's a foul. It has to be a foul. A foul there on McDonald. Big switch here. Pinnock in behind. McDonald, shot, head across, and brilliant defensive work there by Evans. Corner here to Basovak. And they go on the hunt to push their lead forward. Whipped inside. Poor clearance here. Nice work there from Mackenzie. And it's Mullins, and goes a bit cross, so aggressive there for Basovak 27. Indueni receive a caution as Mullins goes down, clutching onto his face. Mullins is still down, receiving some treatment. As we look to restart play here. Level stands over it. Looking to boot this one down. Fairly intense game so far. Brilliant tempo. Brilliant skills on display. Level. Goes long. Over the top. Forbes. Barrett now in possession. Trying to find Harris. Harris now in possession. Nice work from Harris. Beach in the back post. Pass inside, Harris. Nice work there. Youngster playing quite a pretty decent first half for the youngster. Barrett now tackling up and taken away. And that seemed to be an issue. There's some shoving going on down there. Referee just going over to assess the situation to ensure that everyone is in order. having a conversation with Mullins and Pinnock, actually the 2 goal scorers. Free kick here now to the Basovak team. This certainly looks to be an end-to-end action type of game. Big clearance here, level. Nice bit of dribble there by Mackenzie. Oh, poor work there. Basovak in some trouble. As they escape that one quite nicely. Taken away. Myrie. Here comes Mullins with a shot. And not much in that one. Keeper goes long. Dean Williams. Mackenzie now. Finds Myrie. Nice work there by Myrie. Oh, Myrie again. Nice bit of footwork. Cuts inside. Nice pass from Myrie. And Barrett is out wide, and unfortunately, Barrett couldn't get that one in. Maybe was not reading that one. But a nice bit of work by Myrie, displaying his technical abilities in the midfield, in the middle of the park. Fortunately, his teammate was not on the same wavelength as he was. Goal kick here for Basovak as they boot this one down, far wide, find Pinnock. Goal scorer. And the ball goes off for a throw. Took a bit too long to kick that one in. Long throw in there, trying to find Brown. Nice bit of defensive work there from Smith. Not giving Brown the opportunity to flourish. "34 minutes of high intense, excited football here." Pinnock now. Pinnock goes inside, and that is a foul. Referee calling back. It's Mackenzie issuing a yellow card on Mackenzie. As the referee has said, stamping his authority on the game, not letting anything slide, just taking control, not allowing the game to get out of hand. Letting the players know, yes, you are cautioned. Another action like that and you are off. Free kick to Basovak. Chip to the penalty box. Myrie. Nice bit of work there. Clearance here. Mullins chases. Giving away. Here comes Mullins. As he haunts. Nice bit of work there from Codner. And referee said it's not liking what's happening there between Codner and Mullins. That's what's going on here. A bit of off the ball action between Codner and Mullins. Referee not accepting any of it. Play restarts. And another one in there. This could be the last one for Mullins. Referee said no more. A late challenge here on Smith. Codner goes down. Seems to be in some problems. Goalkeeper Oral Williams coming across to render some assistance. If you just joined us, we're here at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. You are tuning in on MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator, Murray Dakers. You're watching Top of the Table Clash in the St. Catherine Football Major League. The St. Catherine Football Association Major League competition. As we see Black Lions versus Basovak. Black Lions with an early goal in the second minute from the penalty spot by Tyrone Mullins. And a reply in the 21st minute by Michael Pinnock. My apologies, Marcus McDonald. Out wide. Brilliant finish from McDonald. Hitting it in top bins. As we approach the second half, the half-time mark, it is Black Lions 1, DB Basovak 1. Here in the St. Catherine Football Association Major League competition. Another substitution for the Basovak team as Codner take his walk on come Isaac Dunkley. Here comes Black Lion now. Goes out wide. Mullins. It's everywhere in the park. Takes out McDonald out of the phase of play. And Barry is taken down in the middle of the park. Level stands over it. Looking to launch this one inside the penalty box. As Berry attacks the back post. Evans now. Taken away. And one goes out for a throw. Throw in the air. Nice bit of play. Big switch from Duane. Fortunately, no one was reading that one. Shot, big shot here, nice attempt. What a beautiful save from the goalkeeper. As Planter hit that one from way out, and Panchi was equal to the task. Oh my word. What a brilliant save from Panchi. Cross to the back post and head collides there, level. And it's quite serious. Two players are down. A bit of excitement has been made here. What a wonderful attempt there. And a brilliant save from Pantry. As the excitement in this game just keep on giving. What a magnificent shot there from the Basovak number 8. Kevon Planter. But Ryan Pantry in goal for Black Lions was equal to the task. Equaling with a magnificent save. As both medical staff seems as this is a bit more serious than they thought. Level is up on his feet now. Just checking to see if everything's okay. Both players now taking their walk off the pitch. As the referee looks to restart this play. We're in the 42nd minute of this game. Really, really good encounter. Big clearance here. Mullins is there. And that's a foul there on Duini. Free kick. Early free kick taken there by Smith as he goes across out wide. Goes inside. Here comes McDonald. Nice bit of work from McDonald. Get inside. And Beach not having any of it. As it comes across the clearance line. And level is back on. That's good to see. That is okay. Easy. Literally the biggest player on the pitch. Both height and physical structure. Corner here to Basovak. Look to increase the pressure on Black Lions to see if they can break. Whipped inside, that's a nice delivery. Header, and he actually, a big clearance here from Smith. My apologies from Forbes. A defensive clearance. It seems as if he forgot which goal he was going at. As he goes down again, another injury. Basovak players going down by the number. So far it has been a really, really good encounter between these two teams. I do believe that the supporters who paid their money are certainly getting their money's worth. And the referee says he's seen enough. And that is it. Half time. It is Black Lions 1, DB Basovak 1. Half time here at Prison Oval in the St. Catherine Football Association Major League competition. As the two teams lick horns to see who's better. But as it stands, it's deadlock at half time. Stay tuned and rejoin us for the second half. You're watching MG Sports TV. We're back here now with the second half. As we start, early start here from Lions as they look to make an impact in the second half. Solid first half between both teams. Basovak would have been delighted knowing that they are coming from back. Nice work there from Barrett. Ball goes out of throw there. Here comes Basovak, and he's taken down there by Berry. Quite a few early substitution by the Basovak team. They've made about 2 to 3 early substitutions in the first half. Goalkeeper, centre back. Big whip to the back post. Nice bit of work there from McDonald. Clearance here by Mackenzie. Taken away. Here comes Mackenzie now. Mackenzie on the break. He has Mullins as support. Mullins still gets away. A yellow card given to Forbes. Before he said that was a little bit too aggressive in the challenge here. Beach stands over this one to take the free kick. Here comes Martin Beach. Stands over the set piece. An opportunity here for Black Lions to get ahead in the game. Whipped inside. It's a nice delivery to the back post. And a nice header. Oh, unfortunately, Mullins at the back post just couldn't get a toe to that one. Play sets to restart here with Oral Williams in goal. Big hit out. Big switch, trying to get McDonald in behind. Pantry is there. As he goes long down the park. Mullins is there. Not good there. Here comes Berry. Over the top. Just trying to get Barrett in behind. Level is there in support. Here comes Basovak now. And taken away by Javar, and referee said that was a bit illegal. A frustrated figure is Ferguson as he was taken down in the challenge. Free kick to Basovak. Wonder what his intent is here. Opportunity to go straight at goal, but also an opportunity to provide something. Chip to the back post. And here comes, that's a nice bit of work there by the goalkeeper. Commanding his box. Booted along by Pantry. Trying to get on behind. Here comes Brown. And Mullins, that was an illegal challenge by Mullins. Referee said that's a foul. No caution, just a foul. Big hit down to the flank. Berry's there, nods that one out. Smith and Ferguson was there. And that's a foul, and referee says he's not having that one. As you think about it, and that is definitely a foul. As Berry challenge was illegal there on Ferguson. He's still on the floor. Seems to be in some pain. Really feisty game so far. Same as the first half, we're seeing now in the second half. Two teams who are heavily competitive and where quality is concerned, very, very similar in quality. Free kick to Basovak. As they look to push numbers forward. Dunkley steps up to take this one. No, he steps back, leaving it to Rashain Smith. Looking for a good delivery here, as there's a lot of numbers in the box. Black Lions have all numbers behind the ball at this present moment. Nice delivery inside the box, and Mary's there to nod that one out. Corner to the Basovak team. Smith steps over this one again. Quite good so far, where the set pieces are concerned. Look to whip this one inside the box from the corner spot. Nice delivery. Heavy to the back post. Bit too heavy. Support is still there. As Duane steps up. Duane with a whip. And one went off for a throw as Mackenzie is there. Long throw in Beach. Mackenzie. And it goes out for a corner again. As Basovak applying the pressure on Black Lion. Quickly taken. Referee putting a pause on play there. As he set. Look to Wilson. That's a nice delivery. Brilliant delivery. Clearance here. Harris clears that one. And referee said there was an illegal infringement which occurred inside the box moments before it was cleared. So it's a free kick to Black Lions team. Oh, Black Lions now as Basovak presses. Here come Basovak. A lot of players there behind the ball. And here come Basovak again. And the referee said that is offside on a player down on the pitch. I wonder whose that is. Not sure what happened there. That was some off the ball issues. Quite often now the Basovak players are going on the floor. At this time you have to question the fitness level of the team. Forbes back on his feet as he takes his leave off the pitch now. Basovak now in possession with a free kick. I thought it was offside. The big shot on goal. Ball almost ended up over the side of the prison. Goal kick here to Black Lion. The tempo, momentum kind of slightly faded away out of the game now. Big delivery there from Level. Not on. Here comes Brown. Brown in a position. And it's Brown going at goal. As it turns, looking for support. Nice bit of turn from Brown. Cross to the goal from Brown, and Basovak defender did extremely well there. And it's Level in good position. That's nicely done there from Level. Clearance here. Pass inside. Here comes Mullins. Taken away. And Mullins now in possession. Out wide. Oh, nice bit of work from Harris. Harris goes inside and it's taken down. And the referee see nothing in that one. Barrett now in possession. Goes inside to find Mary. Mary still in possession. Mary goes for a shot. Shoot at the goal. And it goes straight through. Oh my word. And what happened there? I'm sure Ora Williams, the goalkeeper, would have been happy to see that crowd past the back post. Here comes Beach, whipped inside. And referee said an infringement there. Oh my word. As Williams would have happy. But I'm very, very happy to see that one crawl past the back post. And poor delivery, poor clearance there. Black Lions steps up the pressure. Here comes Evans. Beach. Mackenzie. And a bit of pressure there on Mackenzie. As Mary tried to be cheeky there. To launch Mackenzie in behind. Here comes good counter press here from the Black Lions. Seem to recover the ball easily. Berry now, out wide. Goes in behind and he's taken down, and the referee said that is a foul. A little bit too aggressive there. Berry's down on the floor. Trying to get up. And he's back on his feet. Foul here to Black Lions team. Here comes Barrett. Goes inside. Mary in possession. Goes out wide to find Martin Beach. Beach with a whipper. And goes off for a throw. Off McDonald. Throw into Black Lion. Cross to the back post, and that one went out. Goal kick here for the Basovak team as they try to play from the back. Goes out wide. Oh. Nice bit of work there from McDonald. And it's taken down. And it's a throw here to Black Lion. Frustration here from McDonald. Clutches onto his shoulder. Level. Goes long. Over the top. Mary goes inside. Here comes Brown. Brown a pass. Mary still in possession. Mackenzie as he hunts for the ball. And that goes out of play. Throw into Basovak. Both teams really going at each other. None taking prisoners. Mary Mullins. A bit too aggressive there. As we just hit the hour mark of this game. Score still at deadlock. 1-1. Early goal by Tyrone Mullins in the second minute of the game from the penalty spot. Second goal coming from Marquise McDonald with a screamer in the 21st minute of the game. Since then we haven't really seen much. Big switch here to the front post, and Pantry was in a good position there to collect that one. And it looks to go long. Big kick. Mullins is there. Nice bit of take there from Ferguson. Goes out wide. Nice bit of play there by Ferguson. So far, it's been one of the more vital players for Basovak. Nice bit of work there. Clearance here. Here comes Mullins. Mullins and Ferguson are quite. Barrett. Heavy touch from Barrett. Here comes Mary. Nice bit of work there by Barrett to recover that ball. Goes on line. Big clearance here. Goes in behind and unfortunately. That's why just do more rather than you have to track the ball. Come on, man. Here comes Black Lion now. Mackenzie is there. Should be in the back. Slightly should be in the back. Referee said he's not having any of that. Free kick here for Basovak. Can they make something of this one? Smith stands over it. Ferguson stands over it. Also McDonald. Apologies, it's actually Forbes. Smith. Referee just waiting to give a signal here. Will he go straight at goal? Who will take it? It's a shot from way out from Smith. Unfortunately, it's not good enough. High and wide. Here comes Beach now. Oh my word, and that is quite dangerous. Very, very dangerous there from Sweeney. Right in front of the referee. And the referee was not having none of it. Very, very dangerous tackle. As the referee issues a yellow card there. Very, very dangerous challenge here. He's still on the floor. And it's a really dangerous challenge.
That is it.
Jordan, put it up and down.
That is it, father. Get him off, referee. Got him here. Yeah. 2 more now.
And the red card is issued to Basovak, number 16, Brian Sweeney. And a really nasty challenge here. Harris. Wool the ties now swing in favor of Black Lion. Big switch. The Beach. Nicely taken there from Beach. Big swing. And nice bit of work there from Mary. Stop the progression of the ball. Here comes Ferguson. Big swing there. And Pantry takes that one nicely. Big kick from Pantry. Launching Mullins. And it's taken down. That's a big kick in the back of Mullins. That was really, really dangerous from Forbes. He was quite unsure of himself there. Just extending the boot to control the ball, but Mullins is causing a lot of problems. Free kick here to Black Lions team. The Basovak team would have to be very, very careful because they have received a few yellow cards so far and a red card. I'm not sure if they really want to get another yellow leading to a second yellow and red card of the game because they have been playing quite well. I'll be very, very unfortunate to see them go down to 9 players. Free kick, Evans. Dawkins with a shot at goal. Or Williams don't pick it that all up to restart the play. Forbes looking to hit this one long. Just to keep the ball as far away as possible from there, 18-yard box. And it's level again. Nice bit of work there, counter press from the Black Lion team. So far, level has been a little bit level above this game. That's Quante level. Has been very, very good in defense for Black Lion this evening. Referee just trying to take the tempo out of the game. Too much sting in it. Beach goes on the line. Dawkins, and that's a foul there. Basovak now. Relax. Berry intercepts that one. Nice bit of work from Smith. A bit nippy. Down on the end there. My apologies, Planter. Big switch to the back post. Here comes Ferguson. And a clearance here from Evans. Goes through for a corner. Despite Basovak with 10 players, they're still applying pressure to the Black Lions team. Sometimes all you need is a bit of luck to change the tides. And that is what Basovak is looking for right now. That extra bit of luck. That slightly going for a swing to the back post. And a clear header. Oh my word. Duane could not take that one or direct it to on goal. But he got a clear-cut header. A big opportunity at the 60-yard box. Substitution here for Basovak. As Planter walks. And also, Ferguson was actually having a really good game. quite surprised that he's coming off. He has been very, very active for the Basovak team so far. Very, very surprised that he's coming off. It's causing a lot of problems for the Black Lions defenders. First touch there for Plant. Shot for new. Big clearance here. Here comes Barrett. A nice bit of work there by Barrett. Beach to take it. Throw in there, down the line. Nice bit of work there by. Oh, beautiful pass to the back post. Harris. Wow. And it's taken out. And that is Christ. And that seems to be quite serious. It was a collision between Berry. Kind of unsure who's the Basovak players on the floor. Referee had to rush to quick aid here. The referee just turned him in the recovery position as fast as possible. Quick reaction from the referee there. It's actually McDonald, goal scorer for the Basovak team. Marquise McDonald, and he's back up. He's back up quite quickly as well. Unsure why he ran into the challenge like that. He ended up hurting himself. Free kick to Black Lions. Another chance here, another opportunity for Black Lion to nip something out of this game. Both teams have been going at it from the start of this game. Early goals, unfortunately not much since then. But a big chance here for Black Lions to make something of this game. Martin Beach, set piece specialist in the team. He's quite good at them. Beach with a shot, and that was poor. And Ora Williams going across to stop that one, going for a corner. Quickly taken. Here comes Barrett. Goes across two players. Barrett again in possession. Cross to the back post, and referee said that one went out of play. Goal kick here for the Basovak team. I do believe that if they can hold on to this 1 point, it will definitely be better than nothing. But if they can keep the game as close as possible and snatch it from the jaws of the Black Lion team, because they're in the Black Lions in the ascendancy. Level. Steady in the defense. Here comes Evans. It's taken away, and assistant said it was legally done so. Foul in favor of Black Lions. Here comes Level. pass around. Nice pass here. Here comes Mullins. And nice bit of ball kicking away there. That's Dunkley kicking the ball away. A lot of confusion there. Uncertain of what happened. Referee said throw in. Here comes Mackenzie. Swing to the back post. And it's a header to goal. And a big save from Williams. A big save there from Williams. And what is happening there? What is happening? Players are down. A lot of issues. As the game trickles on, just getting more heated than necessary. Referee, stop all play there. Here comes Basovak again. Nice work there. Brilliant work there. Basovak with a chance, and unfortunately, he went for glory. That was a bit of selfish play there. Not sure why he went for glory in that situation. His teammates are so upset with him. Poor decision there. Very poor decision from Maga. Substitution here for Black Lions. Harris takes his leave. Good performance from the youngster. That's a big opportunity thrown away there from the 10-man Basovak. Big opportunity thrown away there. Not the best decision. Here comes Basovak again. Shot and goal, and Pantry was equal to the task. And ball goes out of play here. It's Basovak's throw. Here comes McDonald. Nice challenge by Mackenzie.
Lions, mark him on.
Mackenzie. High work right there. And goes out of play. Throw inside. Soon, here comes McDonald. Goes at goal. Mackenzie now. Big switch from Mackenzie. That's a nice play. Goes over. Here comes Mary. And Mary's trying to find Barrett. Barrett was a little bit too inside. 10 minutes left to go in this encounter. Who will take it? Basovak with 10 men. Holding on. But still pushing.
Come on, Lions!
Trying to nick this one away from the Black Lions team.
Lions, you're back off, man. Bigger.
Big kick there. Level is there again. And big job there from Maga. A little bit too aggressive. Level. Goes out wide. Here comes Black Lion again. In the ascendancy now. Beats one. Get past two. Forbes is there. Barrett now. Big switch to the back post. And Dawkins is there. Gets that one inside. Level still there to clean up. Ah, nice bit of play there from Level. Beach. Goes out wide. Dawkins. Whipped inside. That's a nice delivery from Dawkins. To the back post. Pass inside, unfortunately. Very, very unsure what he was trying to do there. It's Willie. Goes straight to Pantry. Ryan Pantry goes out to Berry. Berry goes on the line. Nice bit of play there. Nice work. Here comes McDonald. Goal scorer. McDonald with a shot. Brilliant attempt there. And a magnificent save from Pantry. McDonald trying to get back something else from what he has done. What a magnificent save. Brilliant shot. And Pantry equal to the task. That's what we're talking about. That's what football is about. Really, really beautiful attempt. Corner here to Basovak. Whipped inside. Pantry's there. Edda. And Pantry takes it. Not giving away anything. Quick start from Pantry. It is Mullins. On the ascendancy. Nice turn there from Mullins. Stop there. Yellow card from the referee. Yellow card goes to Javor Wright. Alright, quick pass. Nice pass. Dawkins, Willie, attempt to get in behind. And the referee said there's too much tussling in that one. Call that one back. Forbes stands over it. Booting down. Some wonderful save here from Pantry tonight. Some brilliant, brilliant saves. That one was very, very similar. That shot was very, very similar to the goal that they've conceded. The moment he saw McDonald, picked up the ball and looked towards goal. He started backpedaling. 2 back pedals was just enough for him to get the tipped over and the right hand across the left hand save. Free kick here to Basovak. 6 minutes of regular time left. Basically 5. Boot down long. Berry. First Edda. Beach is there. Nice bit of work there. Here comes Black Lion again. Mackenzie. Cross the goal. It's a chance here. And Black Lion seals it. Black Lion seals it. Is it Willie coming off the bench to come and secure it for Black Lions? Oh my word. In the clutch moment, Black Lion turns up big to steal it. It's Black Lions 2. Basovak 1. That's what it means. That is what it means. Pure passion. Brilliant bit of play there by Mullins going down to the byline. Whipping the ball across. Link up between Mullins and Barrett. Getting the ball across. And it seems to be.
That is it.
Nicholas Willie getting that one.
Cheers. That is it, Amici. That's some.
Chance here. The heat is on. Giving away. Mary in possession. Goes across. Mackenzie looks up. Mullins in behind again. And it's Mullins. He's always in behind and causing problems for the Basovak team. Can Basovak find a reply? Going a goal down. Can they really find something from this one? Deflated is Basovak, but not down. Level again. He's having a brilliant game. Here comes Mary. Pick that one. Referee said nothing in that one. Taken away. Mackenzie turns and stops in the middle of the park. Early shot there by Paul Planter. Just 2 minutes of regular time left. Let's see if Black Lions can manage this game, or Basovak can get something. Chip to the back post. And unfortunately, Nicholas couldn't keep that one in. At this moment, it's Black Lions 2, Basovak 1. That red card definitely, certainly would have impacted this game. That's the importance of discipline in football. Black Lions now still in possession. Willie. Mackenzie. Mullins again. Always finding space in behind. Mullins with down across. Straight in the palm of Williams, the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper. Boots that one long. Berry's there. Missed that one. Clearance from Evans. Bit of turn there from central midfielder Smith. McDonald now. Caused a lot of problems for the Black Lions defense. Nice bit of work there, taken away. Dawkins. Nice bit of work there. Here comes Duaney. Going down to the line. Stop and go. Cross inside. That's a nice delivery from Duaney. Unfortunately, Magar was not in a good position. Magar receives. Berry's in first play there. Magar get behind two. Nice work from Magar. Cross inside. And level is there. Here comes Planta. Trying to settle. Planta with a shot. Mary clears. And Beach is there. Here comes Basovak. Down the line. Oh my word. Smith. And he gets a corner. Basovak not stopping. Still pushing. Still hunting. Not going down. A fight to the end. The war cry from Basovak. Cross inside. Head on goal. Here comes Basovak. Duaney again. Mary. First press. Giving away there too easy. Inside. Here comes Mullins. Goes out wide. Cuts inside. Dawkins. Black Lions again. And he's taken down. Right in front of the goal. Smith was taken down as he packs his thing. Goal on. Chance here. Opportunity for Black Lions to further their lead. To double their lead actually. We hit the 90-minute mark here. No indication from the referee as yet of added time. Could this be the last kick of the game? Free kick in a dangerous position. Mullins stands over it. Normally it would be Martin Beach. Maybe he's not having it today. Mullins, Dawkins. Dawkins. Mullins with a shot. And hits that one outside of the facility. Still no indication from the referee of added time. Seconds to go in this one. Booted out long. First header by Planter. Giving away. Here comes McDonald. Just a bit too heavy. Nice work from McDonald. McDonald kept the one in. Take on Beach. Nice bit of work from McDonald again. Chip to the back post. Brilliant work. And Berry was in a good position. And that goes out to play there for a throw to Black Lions. As they couldn't keep it inside. Throw in here to Black Lions. Berry to throw this one in. Throw in here. Willie. Tackle there. Big tackle coming in. Throw in here to Basovak. Can Basovak find something in the dying minutes here? The time trickles down. Referee having a look at his watch again. Throw inside. That's a poor throw. Another throw in here. This could be the final attack of the game. Last chance for Basovak to get something from this game. Last chance for them. Long throw in into the box. And that was poorly done. And that certainly could be it for this encounter. Black Lion with a goal kick. Referee takes another look at his watch as he puts a whistle to his mouth, and that is it. It's full time. Black Lions 2, Basovak 1. Emphatic encounter between these two teams. Brilliant, brilliant 90 minutes of football. Really, really entertaining. I'm sure those patrons who paid their fee to come into the facility would have said it was money well spent. Very, very exciting encounter. Very, very exciting encounter. Certainly. That is it, people. Full time at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. It's Black Lions 2, DB Basovak 1. See you guys again for the next matchup. Thank you very much for joining MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator, Murray Dakers. Please do leave a like, a share, and also subscription before you go. See you guys again. Until next time, we're out.